So this is a follow-on to the Dow Jones trade, Dow 30 CFD. There's a previous video made on this earlier in the day. Got cut off as I was just finishing up with that video, but we've had this move down that I was talking about into where we entered. We've got that break of structure, and I said that this will come back down, and normally we'd see a move back up into the peak formation, at which point we want to break even, really. Move stop to break even. Now, I'm still reluctant to do so until I see this confirm a supporting base for the price to build from. In an ideal world, we'd like to see this up here broken with a close above these highs to move into break even. So we're just keeping an eye on it. As I was trying to conclude in the final video, in the prior video, this formation here remains bullish, somewhat, right? So if we would just bring this, get rid of all this nonsense on the chart, we've got this impulse correction, and we're looking for a continuation higher. We've got the trend line being respected. So we're looking for this to continue higher. Building this sort of geometrical pattern here. So we're looking for a move up. We want to break this resistance here. We're struggling to do so on this daily candle, and we're halfway through the day. But if we get a close there, that's going to be particularly bullish for tomorrow. But as I said, so we're respecting this trend line, so the bias is bullish. It's pretty by the by, I mean, working from the daily chart, but gives us a thesis, and we're targeting the 61.8 or thereabouts, a breach above it. On the 15-minute time frame, we've already come into a 38.2 support. We've just drawn the Fibbo on this correction, aiming for a move up into here, minus 272 of that correction. So this scenario here, and on a move up, we can move to break even. We're only running a small portion of the 30% of the initial trade. We've taken money off to build some base, and we're not at break even because we're mindful that this can still come in for a protracted lower before the move up.